Hey guys, today I'm going to share a quick and easy holiday idea with you. I made this Christmas ornament with a plaque that I bought at Hobby Lobby. It was 80% off. It was one of their spring items, and I just painted over it with chalkboard paint. And I'm using one of the many holiday icons, the word peace, and it has a twig and some berries. And I'm going to use 3 different colors of chalk paste: white, red, and green. And I'm going to be applying it with the Chalk Couture multi-tool. It has a very small flexible end on it, and it makes it easy to get into these small areas. The first thing I did was I laid all my paste, the 3 different colors, out on the transfer. As you can see, I'm working in a tight space, so I wanted to get the colors on there, and then once I got the colors on, I scraped off the excess. And that made it a lot easier, and it kept the chalk paste wet while I was working on the little small areas. Yeah, I could have easily just done one color all over the whole thing, but I wanted to show off the little berries and the twig, and I think it turned out so cute. And the other day I did a project. I used a scrap fabric, and I'm making a little bow for the top of it. And as you can see, it turned out so cute, and it was fast and easy.